Included accessories: Vapore 2800 Aspira. Vacuum vapor large brush frame for all large surfaces such as floors, walls, ceilings, with squeegee inserts for floors, carpet inserts for carpets and rugs, and nylon insert for scrubbing. Vacuum vapor 6-inch brush for smaller surfaces such as countertops, shower, bath, mattresses, upholstery, coats, car interior, with clip-on squeegee for small windows and mirrors, and clip-on nylon brush for scrubbing. Vacuum vapor 120 degree tool with 1-inch nylon for detail cleaning such as grout, toilets, drains, faucets, stovetops, stain removal, window and door tracks, with vacuum nozzle. Vacuum vapor squeegee for windows, mirrors, patio doors. 2 extension poles, vacuum and vapor. Vacuum vapor hose. Vapor only hose. Vapor only short lance with 1-inch nylon brush and 1-inch brass brush for grout, toilets, drains, faucets, stovetops, ovens, barbecue grills, stain removal, window and door tracks. Control panel and lights. When the orange economy light is on, electrical economy mode is engaged. When the light is off, normal functions resume. When the light is flashing, all heating elements are off. Your water refilling light indicates the absence of water in a cold water reservoir and interrupts the generation of vapor to avoid damage to the heating elements. When your green OK light is on, it indicates that maximum working pressure has been reached. While using the machine, this light turns on and off according to the pressure reached in the boiler. Light on, solid, the machine is ready and elements are off. When light is flashing, heating elements are on. When the light is off, heating elements are off. When your red water replace light is on, it indicates the need of a rinsing of the boiler. If the water has been changed in the boiler and the system reset has been performed, but the light is still on, this may indicate a temporary malfunctioning of the refilling mechanism. When the red light is on, all the machine functions are deactivated. Your pressure gauge indicates the amount of pressure in the boiler. Your on and off switch turns the machine on and off. Your regulator knob regulates the vapor pressure quantity, and your economy light allows for manual shifting from the electrical economy to the normal function and vice versa. Startup procedures. Fill the reservoir with water, only use tap water. Plug in the unit, press the on and off button to turn on the machine. The button will light up. The green light will begin flashing. When the green light stays on steady, the machine is ready. Purge procedure. A purge must be done before each use to evacuate the air that forms in the boiler when it is allowed to cool down. Wait for the green light to stay on steady. Connect the hose to the machine. Turn the regulator knob to the maximum level. Squeeze the trigger on the handle of the hose for approximately 15 to 20 seconds. You will hear the air come out of the hose, followed by some drops of water and then vapor. Release the trigger and allow the machine to recharge itself. When the green light stays on steady, the machine is ready to be used. Maintenance. Rinsing procedure at least once a month or when red light turns on. Allow machine to cool for at least 5 hours. Unscrew the drain plug under the machine and allow all water to drain out of the boiler. Insert the water hose into boiler to properly flush out all calcium and minerals. Verify O-ring on drain plug. Replace if necessary. Screw drain plug back onto the machine. Fill water reservoir with water and start the machine. Reset procedure. When red light turns on, perform rinsing procedure. Start machine normally. When red light turns on again, turn machine off for 45 seconds and then back on. Allow machine to continue to heat until red light goes on again. Repeat step 3. The reset procedure may need to be repeated 3 to 4 times as indicated in the instruction manual. If red light remains on after performing the reset procedure, contact an authorized Vapore service center. Included accessories: Vapore 3000, Vapore 2800 inox, vapor only hose, 2 extension poles, vapor only long lands for getting into hard to reach areas, vapor only curved lands for getting into hard to reach areas, vapor only short lands with 1-inch nylon brush, 1-inch brass brush for grout, toilets, drains, faucets, stovetops, ovens, barbecue grills, stain removal, windows and door tracks, large brush for all large surfaces such as floors, walls, ceilings, triangular brush and 8-inch rectangular brush for smaller surfaces such as countertops, shower, bath, mattresses, upholstery, coats, car interior, squeegee for windows, mirrors, patio doors, and others.